How to use Cash App at gas station and stores. In this video, I will show you the procedure to use Cash App at gas station and stores. Now, this is not exactly now Cash App is not like any other applications or any other card that can be used anywhere. Now, it is not a convenient way. However, it depends on the type of store that you're visiting and where it accepts Cash App. So if you want to use Cash App in the gas stations, you may be charged with your Cash App a temporary authorization hold up to $75 or $175. The cost of gas will be charged later as a separate transaction that releases the authorization's hold. In order to avoid this issue, you need to pay for the amount of gas you'd like to the register before your pump as well. When a merchant refunds a transaction, it can take up to 10 business days for Cash App to receive the funds. As soon as the Cash App receives the funds will automatically appear in your Cash App balance. So basically, it's not a direct way to use Cash App at anywhere or at any store. However, you have to first of all be sure that does the particular store or gas station accept Cash App. Only then you could go ahead and use it so that you do not get in charge with the penalty. So this is how you will be able to use Cash App at gas stations and stores. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.